I know what you're thinking. Yet another financial guru on YouTube. Hiya. Okay, let me set things straight. I'm not a financial guru or claim to be an investment expert. I have no intention to sell you any courses. You will not be asked to pay a single cent to join some premium VIP group. Not only I won't take your money, I have a welcome gift for you. So make sure you stick till the end of this video. What's up everyone, my name is Raymond and let's talk finance. In this video, I'm going to share with you what this channel is all about and what you can expect from this channel. Ray Talks Finance is here to help you improve your relationship with money. I hope that my future videos will inspire you and set you on the right path to achieve your financial goals. And just to let you know, all content on this channel will be totally free of charge. So instead of taking your money, we should work together as a team and suck the money from YouTube. All you need to do is hit that subscribe button, and if you're kind enough, do share it out with your friends who's interested in finance or investment. Get them to subscribe to the channel so that they don't miss out on any valuable knowledge that I'm about to share in the future. Basically everything related to finance. That includes financial management, investment, tax planning, running a business, and so on. But of course, the priority will be to answer whatever questions you have or whatever that you wish to learn. So if you have anything that you want to ask me, feel free to comment down below. I'll try my best to fulfill your requests. I understand that not everyone is good in the topic of finance because everyone's brain is wired in a different way, but I'm not saying that I'm good at it, but I'm definitely passionate about it. So I do believe that I have some valuable knowledge and experience that I can share and help you in your journey. My ultimate goal is to unite the people of Malaysia. I hope you laugh at that because everyone who is successful said that they get laughed at when we tell people about their dreams. So I really hope you laughed at that. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I'm giving away this nice personal finance tracker for free. I use this personally and I find it really useful, not just to track or analyze my expenses, but also to monitor my progress towards my financial goals. If you want to get your hand on this spreadsheet, all you need to do is subscribe to my Telegram channel because there is where I will be sharing this file. If you're interested in stocks, make sure that you follow my public Telegram group because there is where we can discuss about stocks and share our opinions. I also have an Instagram page, a TikTok, Twitter and Facebook. Link to all the social media is in the description below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next video.